Sales Psychology in Under 1 Minute, Tagline Font. If you watched the simple and complex font videos, then you should have a pretty good idea of how fonts affect thinking. Another thing to remember is that more complex fonts are more memorable. This means that if you want people to remember something, make the font a tiny bit harder to read. This technique is best applied to short slogans or taglines. A simple tagline that is just a tiny bit harder to read, like italics, will be more memorable to the reader because it's different and it's just a tiny bit more difficult for our brains to process because it's tilted. Even though it's pretty much a subconscious reaction and we don't notice, we still focus and concentrate on it just a little bit more when reading it, and that causes it to be ingrained into our memories just a little bit more. This is the scientific reasoning behind why italics are used in the first place. It should be used sparingly, and it's not a good idea to start pumping out entire paragraphs with hard-to-read text in hopes that people will remember it because they just won't read it. But by using a slight hint of complexity to your tagline font, people will remember it better over a straight and simple font. This is Expert Webco with Sales Psychology in Under 1 Minute.